Home Remedies presents How to make hairspray for hair growth. Nobody likes to lose their hair. It is heartbreaking, and if it results in balding, it can severely affect a person's self-confidence. Coffee contains caffeine, which increases blood circulation throughout our scalp, thereby stimulating hair follicles and boosting hair growth significantly. Hence, when coffee is applied topically to the hair scalp, it makes its way into the hair roots and stimulates them. Not only does it prevent baldness and hair loss, it also works through the hair roots and brings about better hair development. Let's see how to use it. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to support it. Using coffee on hair. To keep your hair in good health, this homemade coffee hairspray can be an excellent substitute for highly priced serums. Ingredients: black coffee powder 2 tablespoons. It is suggested that you opt for darker coffee beans such as espresso and French roast in order to get maximum benefits of antioxidants. Hot water as required. Process: prepare a cup of black coffee and allow it to cool down. Now pour it into a spray bottle and store. After shampooing your hair, spray this mixture to your hair roots on your scalp. Massage the scalp gently with your fingers for a few minutes. Let it rest for 10 minutes and then rinse with water. You can use it whenever you wash your hair. A more easier way is just to add a tablespoon of coffee powder in your regular shampoo bottle of 350 to 400 ml. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.